How to view your account balance on TD Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your account balance using TD Online Banking platform on your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank login. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on login and after that you can simply click on online banking and once you do that on the next page, you simply have to enter your username and password to access your online banking account. And now here, once you have accessed your TD online banking on the main dashboard, you will see a list of all your TD bank accounts like checking, savings, credit cards, and loan. So here next to each account, you will see your current balance and available balance. So here you can just click on any accounts to view more details, including the recent transaction, and you can also filter your accounts, rename them for clarity, or hide balances from the main screen for privacy. And that's it. That's how you can check balances using TD Online Banking on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.